Hello mathematicians, it's Miss Cater here, and today we're going to practice some word problems by taking a trip to the bakery. These problems are a great way to grow our math mind as we not only solve problems, but we show how we solve our work. Remember as you watch that you can pause the video, rewind it, and watch it again if you need. Let's get started. Okay, mathematicians, we're going to practice showing your thinking today in a couple different ways. One way you can show how your brain solves problems is by using a 10 frame to count out or to draw on. Another way is you could actually draw to show how you're solving. Today we're going to use both the 10 frame and drawing as well as equations to solve some word problems. Get your materials ready so you can solve with me. Here is our first problem. Aliyah, Laila, Kevin, and Xavier went to the bakery. They each bought 12 tiny cupcakes. So each person has 12. Now wait a second, because Aliyah ate 3 cupcakes and gave 2 cupcakes to Laila. Then she left the bakery. How many cupcakes did Aliyah leave with? Well, we need to be thinking right now about what numbers are in our problem. We know that Aliyah had 12 to start with. Then she ate 3 and gave 2 to Laila. Let's use our 10 frames to show our thinking as we solve this. Here are our 10 frames. I'm going to put dots onto my 10 frames to show the 12 cupcakes Aliyah started with. So I know that's 10, so I'm going to fill out a 10 frame, and 2 more. Go ahead and make 12 on your 10 frames, so you can do this with me. If you need to, you can pause the video as you make 12. You can use counters, beans, Cheerios, anything on your 10 frames to make 12. Okay, now that we have 12, let's go back to our problem and think about it. Aliyah ate 3 cupcakes. Well, if she ate them, I know they're gone. So I'm going to go ahead and take 3 off my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. Take 3 off your 10 frame to show that they are eaten or gone. Great. Now let's go back to our problem. Aliyah ate 3 cupcakes and gave 2 cupcakes to Laila. Well, if she gives them away, we know they're gone again. So let's take 2 more off her 10 frame. Let's see, 1, 2. Okay, 2, there we go. Take 2 off your 10 frames to match. Okay, so we started with 12. We took away 3 because Aliyah ate them. We took away 2 because Aliyah gave them away. Let's count how many we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Aliyah has 7 cupcakes. Aliyah left the bakery with 7 cupcakes. Could you think of a way we could write this as an equation? Go ahead and stop the video to try to write this as an equation to show your math thinking. Welcome back. There are lots of different ways that you could write this as an equation. I'm going to share one way. I know Aliyah started with 12 cupcakes, so I write 12. She ate 3, so I'm going to write take away 3, which equals 9. Then I know that Aliyah took away 2, so I'm going to write a second equation. 9 minus 2 equals. We know the answer is 7, so I have written 2 different equations to show the 2 steps in this problem to solve. Let's try the same problem, but this time, let's solve by drawing pictures to show our thinking. Okay, here is the same problem. Aliyah ate 3 cupcakes and gave 2 cupcakes to Laila. Then she left the bakery. How many cupcakes did Aliyah leave with? As a mathematician, I can also solve a problem with drawings. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the same problem we just did. First, I'm going to remember that Aliyah had 12 cupcakes. So I'm going to draw 12 little circles. You can do this on your paper as I go too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Note, I did not draw beautiful cupcakes. Instead, I drew quick circles because this is math, not time to make art. So make sure when you do word problems, you just draw little circles or stars to represent what you're talking about in your problem. Make sure you have 12 cupcakes, 12 circles or 12 little designs. And let's go back to the problem together. Let's see. She ate 3 of them. So I'm going to show 3 of them are gone. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing this as a drawing to show they're gone. Then Aliyah gave 2 to Laila. So let's get rid of 2 of them. 1, 2, gone. Now I can count to see how many are left to solve my problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Aliyah has 7 left, or Aliyah left with 7. I could write this as an equation by writing 12 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5 equals 7 cupcakes. Mathematicians, drawing is another way that we can show how we solved a problem, which shows our strong mathematical thinking. Okay, mathematicians, it is your turn. You're going to solve some more of these problems on your own. Make sure as you're going that you're showing your thinking. You can do this with your 10 frame, like we practiced, or with drawing pictures, like we practiced. As you go, make sure you check your work and include an equation to show how you solved. Off you go, mathematicians.